In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to measure your range of motion using Curovate. Click the three lines in the top left corner of the Curovate homepage. Select Measurements. When you're ready, click Start. First, you will measure your knee extension angle. Sit on a flat surface with your knee as straight as possible, with a small, tightly rolled towel placed under your lower leg. Place your phone on your thigh as shown. When ready, press Measure and hold still for 3 seconds until your device vibrates. Now move your device to your lower leg. Press Measure and hold still. Next, you will measure your knee flexion angle. Bend your knee as far as you can and place your phone on your thigh as shown. Press Measure and hold still. Now move your device to your lower leg. Press Measure and hold still. You will now see your current knee flexion and knee extension angles. To see your improvement over time, you can click View Graph at the bottom of the page.